Every space has its own vibe. Interior design is to capture the vibe and translate into habitable spaces. Interior design course at UID imparts both artistic, aesthetic sense and the technical edge. An interdisciplinary approach towards design broadens your thinking horizons. Understand space as a resource, know space as a character, by a classic amalgamation of classroom learning and hands-on projects. Meet the industry leaders, the best minds from the field. Ace the art through practice-based learning. Immerse into spatial awareness, form materials, structures, and other core skills required to master the field of interior design. Put your best foot forward. At UID, you learn interior designing as a dynamic discipline.